resort or tried to pull one over. Thought no one noticed that they used the same color. Figured no one would know, cause they move so goddamn slow. They thought it was a score, till that Vital Vegas blew the whistle to Wynn Encore. They scrambled to find a new color. I guess in a pinch, red on red makes sense to a lawyer. "2017 was the opening date. 3 years late today. Who would have thought we'd still be discussing paint? Not sure when this place will be complete, even though the new date is supposedly concrete. 2020 looks like a possible test to me. Makes sense to a lawyer. Looks like a possible test to me. Who would have thought we'd still be discussing paint? Makes sense to a lawyer.